Hi, I'm Dave Sanfilippo. I'm the former director of Disabled Student Services at California State University, Long Beach. I had the pleasure of working there for 40 years. And before that, I worked 3 years at a community college with students with disabilities. In the course of that time, I had the opportunity to work with a number of students who had mental health challenges, many of them veterans. I also had some interesting situations in my own family. My brother, unfortunately, died from suicide at the age of 61, so just 10 years ago. I had a son who went through the challenges of recovery from heroin. Proud to say he's now 7 years clean and sober. So when Randy mentioned his vision for CarePossible, it really resonated with me, what he said and what he was saying about kind of filling in that gap. And so I asked Randy if I can help out in any way. He asked me if I could be on the advisory board, which I gladly agreed to. You know, I always think about my kids, and me and my wife, we have 6 kids together, 4 grandchildren, which we're all very proud of. But we think about their future and what it means to them. Many times I often have called upon CarePossible to help some of our students when I was at Long Beach State. I can remember this one incident in particular where I had a student come in and she had bandages on both of her wrists, and I could see that it was bleeding through the bandages. And I asked her, I said, "Are you okay?" And she said, "Well, I just got out of the hospital. I just attempted suicide a couple of days ago." And she told me the story that she was on her kitchen floor after she had cut her wrist, and her dog came in and started wailing and crying like she'd never heard her dog wail and cry. And she realized she couldn't leave her dog like that. There was places that were going to help her, but they couldn't help her right away. I went to Randy, and he was able to get her care in one of the facilities that has granted support for Randy's program. I'm happy to say that student not only came back to the university that next year, but graduated and now is working and has a healthy support system behind her because of what was given through CarePossible, but also she has a healthy life for her own self.